What's up guys, Jeff back here with another amazing video. And as you can see in the title of this video and as you can see in the thumbnail, I'm going to be showing you guys an app that's going to pay you to watch funny videos over and over again. So yes, this app also has a ton of other ways to make money with it, but the main and easiest method to earn money with this app is simply watching videos, and the other methods is stuff you guys do on a daily basis. So I'm sure a lot of you guys already know about this app because I've seen a ton of people talk about it. And before I get into the video, I just want to let you guys know that this app is not going to make you rich. Obviously, this is an app you just use to earn some extra side income. So with that out of the way, here is the app, and I know a ton of you guys already know about this app as I said before, but the chances are you're earning a little amount of money with this app, and that's because you don't know about the method I'm going to be showing you this video on how to actually double your earnings with this app. So if you want to know that method, if you want to make double of what you're actually earning right now, stick with me and watch this video till the end. So without further ado, with all my talks out of the way, you guys know what to do. Go below this video, smash that red subscribe button, leave a like if you gain any info from this video, and also leave your questions in the comment section and I'll be replying to as many as I can. So guys, this is the app over here as you can see, and the name of this app is called Clipclaps, in case you did not know that before. And guys, I may not leave a link to this in the description. It's pretty easy to get to. All you have to do, go over to the Play or App Store. The app is completely free. Search for Clipclaps and yeah, you're gonna pretty much get the app. So guys, here we are on my Android emulator, but as I said before, you guys could also get this on your iOS or Android devices. All you have to do, go to the App Store, Play Store, type in Clipclaps, and you'll be on your way to getting the app. And if you do not have an Android or iOS device, you could always use a PC, get an Android emulator like I'm doing right here. So on the main page, the first thing you see, a bunch of videos that you could watch and actually earn clap coins, which you can convert over to cash. And as you guys can see over here, I have $3.34, and guys, I do not even use this app at all. Yeah, so over below here you see this slider, and the more videos you watch, the more chests you're gonna get and the more money you're gonna keep on getting. So this slider keeps on increasing, and when you get over here, it's gonna give you a chest over here. So you go over here to see the amount of chests you've actually earned, and you could open any of these chests, you earn clap coins, and you could get up to $10 from this chest. And also you could get raffle tickets from this chest. So I'm gonna do this real quick so you guys could actually see how this goes. So guys, over here, when you have enough raffle tickets to compete in a raffle, all you have to do, click any one of this. I don't know if you're good at guessing. You could try your luck out and click on any of this to actually get a chance to win a $10 Amazon gift card or whatever gift card. So guys, that is how you could actually win some amount of cash or whatever the raffle actually contains. So you guys could come check out the app, go click around the app, see what works for you. So you could also get free spins over here. I'm not going to do that right now, but when you refer people, you could actually get free spins over there. And you could also open up chests. There are different categories of chests with different prizes. And let me go over here. I'm just going to skip to the part where I show you guys how to actually maximize your earnings with this app. And all you have to do to maximize your earnings with this app is make sure that you get a ton of referrals. And no, you're not going to be posting on Facebook, you're not going to be going to Reddit to find people to share your referral codes with. All you have to do is use GetReferrals, and I say this in all of my videos. GetReferrals is an amazing platform. So all you have to do, use GetReferrals. And when you go over to GetReferrals, I'm going to show you the website in a second. So over here, I'm going to show you guys something real quick. Before this video, I actually got 25 referrals from GetReferrals for the sake of this video. And if you come over here, you can see a bunch of notifications from here. So you can see your friend loves our app, here's another diamond chest, your friend loves our app, that here is another diamond chest. And when people keep on using your referral links to join this app, you get more diamond chests, and that means you get more clap coins, and that also means you get more chances to compete in raffles and win up to $10 over and over again. And I'm going to show you guys another trick I use to actually earn more money with this app. So as you guys saw before, I showed you guys the free spin that you could actually get from referring people. So all you have to do to get free spins along with your referrals is actually giving GetReferrals your specific code to use for the free spins. So I'm going to leave the text to use for GetReferrals in the description somewhere, or later in this video I'm going to flash it over on the screen. So guys, that is pretty much what you want to do, and you can come over here to upload videos to Clipclaps. And guys, when you upload videos, you're gonna keep on earning money on autopilot, because the more likes you get on those videos, the more money you're gonna be getting through this app. So let me come over here also to show you guys the free spins. So you could click claim all to claim all your prizes. And as you can see over here, lucky spin, this person just gifted your lucky spin. Guest 348 just gifted your lucky spin. So once you give these people your codes, they gift you lucky spins and they keep on earning you chests as long as they keep on opening the apps over and over again. So as you guys can see, it is completely passive income, and anyone could do this. If you're 14, 15, if you're 12, you could do this. A teenager can actually do this to earn extra income online. So as you guys could see over here, I just played this video, and this person has actually earned 29,000 clap coins from this video alone. So let's say this user over here, GetReferrals, has uploaded at least 5 videos, and each of those videos have earned him 20,000 clap coins each. That means the person has earned over $1 for simply uploading these videos. And you guys could do this also. You could refer people and also upload videos to maximize your earnings. And the more people keep on liking your videos, the more people keep on watching these videos, you're going to keep on earning passive income on autopilot. You do not even need to open up this app. So guys, over here is the main deal. All you have to do, come over to shop.getreferrals.us, and I may leave this in the description if I remember. So yeah, this is where you're gonna come over to get referrals to maximize your earnings. And when you come over to the website, all you have to do, click on, okay, scroll down a little bit, and you're gonna come over here to where it says downloads plus sign up, because you want these referrals to download the app and sign up using your referral links. So yes, I know you guys are gonna go over to the comment section and say it costs money. Yes, it costs $5.85, and I'm gonna show you guys that you're actually gonna make a profit from this. So guys, Jeff from the future here, and I know you guys just heard me say you're gonna be making a profit from this if you use GetReferrals plus Clipclaps. You're gonna be making a profit. The truth is that not everyone is gonna make the same amount of money, and this is because on Clipclaps you have 2 methods of actually earning, and that is your chances at the raffles. So some people are gonna win great prizes from the raffles, like $10 or $1, and some people are gonna win only cents or clap coins from the raffles. So it actually depends on that, and it also depends on the quality of the referrals you get from GetReferrals. So the referrals I got kept on opening the app every single day, and I kept on getting gold chests over and over again. But the referrals you may get may not open the app the second day. They may open it only the first day, and that means you're not going to keep on earning gold chests. And that is why I'm going to advise you to go for 25 referrals the first time you're actually going to be buying referrals from GetReferrals. I advise you not to go big, but I mean, it's your referral code. You could do whatever you want. You could go big or small, but from my experience and the advice I'm going to be giving you guys, I advise you to start with 25 referrals. As you guys saw in my Android emulator over here, then pull that up real quick again. So as you guys saw over here, I got 25 referrals from GetReferrals, and I actually haven't redeemed all the rewards I got from this 25 referrals, and I have $3.34 already. So I'm gonna flash a screenshot on the screen or somewhere after I redeem all these rewards to show you guys how much I actually ended up making with 25 referrals from GetReferrals. And the main point here is that these referrals are going to keep on earning you gold chests every single time they open up the app again. So you guys could change the currency to whatever country you're in. I think this is pounds over here. Let that load up. So this is €5. You guys could change the currency to whatever country you're in. Let's look at Nigeria real quick. So this is 2,400. Let's just put it back at USD. So guys, this isn't too much. I mean, it's an investment you guys could actually risk if you want to maximize your earnings with this. And all you have to do, select the amount of referrals you want over here. I'm going to advise you to start with 25 so you don't end up spending more than you're going to earn. So but if you actually go for 25 referrals and you find out that this actually works for you, you could come over to the website and go for more. But guys, you could go for 25 referrals as a beginner. So all you have to do in this box, leave your referral link, and you could get that from the app over here. Let me open that up. So over here, all you have to do, go over to the section that says me. You click on my friends, down here, let that load up, and you click on add friends, and you could actually show my code and share your code through that way. Or you could go over to the rewards section down here. Then over here I have chests in here, so it's not going to show it for me, but for you, when you sign up, it's going to show a chest that says free, and when you click on that, it's going to show you a way to invite your friends. You're going to give them a link where they could copy your code, and when they sign up, they could use that code by clicking on redeem at the top over here, and they just put in your code down here, so you could earn a chest, and your friend that redeems your code also is going to earn a free $. You guys could go over to your friends and family members. As a beginner, you could go over to them and tell them that you could give them a free $, if they use your code to actually sign up with this app. So that is pretty much it for this app, GetReferrals and Clipclaps, and let me leave this links in the description. So that is pretty much it for this video. It's simple. All you have to do, get the Clipclaps app, and when you're done with getting the Clipclaps app, you could watch videos, upload videos to earn. And if you want to double your earnings, all you have to do, go over to GetReferrals and get at least 25 referrals to start. And if this works for you, you could go up and get 100 referrals and keep on increasing the amount of referrals you get, so you can maximize your earnings over and over again. And guys, if you're looking for some other amazing apps to use to make money online, I'm going to leave some links in the description to amazing apps I've used before and I've received payments from, so you guys could go use those to make some extra income on the side. And yeah, if this is your first time on my channel, as I always say, if you haven't subscribed, go below this video, smash that red subscribe button. And if you gained any info at all from this video, leave a like and drop your questions in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. Peace and out.